Keith Smith. This is October 25th. It's a Membership Services Squad update. Over the past couple of weeks, we've made good progress on getting the COP server up and running. We've created a makefile in the home directory of COP, which is Fabric COP directory. You can also use that to build a COP executable, which will be in the bin directory. And then you can issue the COP command to see the CLI. It has three components: the client server and CFSSL. COP is built on top of CFSSL, so you can issue any of the commands directly, but generally you'll only need to use the client and server. I can show you how to start the server now. Actually, it's already up and running, but here's the serve command to start it. COP server start with 3 arguments. You give it the certificate file, the key file, and the configuration file. And so let's just start it again. And in the also I can show you how to do enrollment. Let me first remove my previous enrollment artifacts so that it will allow me to enroll again. Now I can run the COP client command to enroll with an enrollment ID, an enrollment secret, a certificate signing request, which is in JSON format, and then the server address. And that spits some debug information out, and then you can look in the COP home directory, which is the .cop directory, and it's created my certificate file and key file for me, signed by the CA, of course. So that's the client enroll working. The client register is almost complete, not quite there. We still have a little bit of database work to do, and CFSSL supports 3 databases: Postgres, SQLite, and MySQL, but all of those will be supported. We've made good progress on T-certs, but not quite there yet. Hope by the next update we should be. We've also defined an API for doing config updates through the ordering service. If you want to see more information on that, see Fab 807. So next up, we'll be completing our register and our T-cert work, and also token authorization. CFSSL doesn't have any authorization security, so we're adding that to the authorization header. And we'll also be adding the ability to run a COP server in a cluster behind an HA proxy. And as always, you can look at the at this URL to see our dashboard, to see what we're working on. And one other thing, we do have a README file that you can look at in the home directory, in the COP home directory, and that will be kept up to date with what is currently working. You can see it has a getting started section, how to download and build the executable, how to explore the COP CLI, how to initialize the COP server, how to start the COP server, how to do enrollment, and how to run the test. So that's it for this week.